Well, isn't this a beautiful boat? This is Adam's boat. Adam's from WA. He's probably one of the most qualified skippers that I've had the privilege to meet, and he chose to go with a Tiffany Blue 565. Adam's just gotten the colour combination on this boat perfect. The Tiffany Blue just stands out up against the stainless steel and the black highlights, the black and white fleckled floor. It just pops. The whole boat just pops. When we had it in the water the other day and it came out and it was wet, my God, what a vision. Everyone just schooled around it, to be honest. It was a beautiful, beautiful boat. The 200 DTSs are becoming very popular actually on the 565s. We normally see the 225s, as we all know. Very similar figures, same bottom end, same mid-range. We're getting our 52 Ks at 3,500 RPM. You lose a little bit at your top end and not much to worry about, but again, a great combination with this 565. Adam will be fitting this boat up himself with his electronics and transducers. So we haven't done any electronics at all except for the switches, fuse boxes, bus bars, circuit breakers, that sort of thing, which everyone gets. But I'm looking forward to seeing it when it's all finished, that's for sure. So I just want to say a big congratulations to Adam and his family. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, and I'm sure it's going to be turning a lot of heads, this boat with this colour. Looking forward to seeing some photos from your days out on the water in WA.